Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching this video. Welcome to the Backyard Bounty Garden channel. Yes, today I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to do with my tomatoes. The tomato plant, they have grown long enough and the wind has been blowing a lot. So I'm going to secure them, put the poles and secure them. So yes, and guys, I want to show you as well. Please have a look. You know, we had hailstorm, and look at what it has done to my tomato plant. Look at the leaves. It was beating down, and yet I can see the thing is already beginning to flower. So I'm really praying. Can you see all of them have been affected, but you can see that they have grown like tall. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim off some of the branches and then put the poles. I'm going to just get rid of that bit there. Cut that off. And put that one as well. Cut that off. Because this one is too close to the soil, so it can actually make it. You see the wind has been blowing. I'm just going to go around. You see? Can you focus on that? Right? Because we want, this is draining the energy from the plant. I want it the energy to go up there so that they can produce more. Yeah. You can see these are the bamboo poles that I bought, and I'm going to use it to secure it. Yeah, because when the wind is blowing, right here, right here. These plants are going to grow tall. I'm telling you, wait and see. Right? Yeah. Need one more. Okay. The smaller one seems to be actually quite strong. So guys, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use this. I hope this can fit. It looks like it's small. Let me see what I can. If not, then I may have to. No, okay, I know what to do. I have to connect them. This is a bit tricky. I need something long. So I'm going to use these guys because those plastic things were a little bit difficult to use. They're small. Don't tie too tightly because you don't want to bruise the tomato. Yeah, that's good. As it grows, continue to grow and keep on clipping or tying because I don't want them to get pulled off by the have to be very careful. Very careful. Okay, like that. So I'm going to continue with the rest and then I'll show you the final result. Yeah, so guys, I've finished securing them. I just use the rope strings, you know, for tying them because that plastic clip could not work. Yeah. I just, you know, so when the wind blows, at least they don't fall off. As they keep growing, I will keep on just tying until they reach where they need to reach. I believe that these things, they are going to grow taller, you know. But once it gets here, there's nothing else I can do. Maybe for these ones here, which are closer to the fence, I don't know. If the time comes and need be, I may have to tie string over there, you know, string there to support them, because these ones are beef tomatoes and I know they're going to need a lot of support, you know. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, comment, you know, give us some like and share the video with others, you know, so that they can learn a thing or two. We are all learning from each other, you know. If you have any, how do you usually, you know, do yours? How do you support your tomato plants? or any other plant, how do you do it? Give us a comment in the description box below, and let's learn also from you. Okay, God bless you, take care, and bye bye.